What do you do, Cody?
Through the belt for fuck's sake.
But it went over. Might happen again.
Fuck is that like?
These niggas come a con in a bizzle pushing buttons and it's got me on my mind. I gotta watch my weight because Alina made me slide. So dog, I got the pounds of fucking bitches off of Vine. And I know my wrist is sloppy everything. I got this.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Now today I went out and went snowmobiling with my friends. So that's today's video. It's not going to be too long or anything, but it'll be cool for some of you guys who haven't seen my snowmobile before or any of my snowmobiling videos. I did make some last year on my other channel, but I'm kind of just going to post whatever I want now on this channel. Whatever gets views, gets views. I'm still going to post videos. I'm still going to post vlogs. I'm going to game. I'm going to do all types of stuff. Get audiences from everywhere. But sorry if the lighting's shit. I'm in bed. But I hope you guys did enjoy the new intro. And let's get into this video, but first, make sure you guys subscribe if you aren't already, and if you already are subscribed, make sure to turn on the notifications and make sure you do, because they actually got undone from a lot of people. And we're almost at 10K, so I want everybody in this video to comment down below what you would like me to do for 10,000 subscribers. Whatever you want, I'll actually do. I don't really care. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to drop a like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe as always, and peace, guys.
What happened? What happened? So tired. I'm tired. Okay, you film. Oh, what? Fuck it out! Fuck it out! Fuck it out!
What do you think of that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Not again!
Fucking tell him to pin it.
This happened not too long ago, by the way, guys. But it went over. Might happen again. Uh-oh. You should go help him. You got those long legs.
It'll go.
Whoa.
Come on, Indy.
The Indiana Jones.
Fuck is that like?
Holy shit. Rolling. We're getting a little feisty. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah. What do you do, Cody?
Do the belt for fuck's sake.
Alright, so that'll conclude the video, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. It was kind of just raw. I didn't edit anything. The Instagram edit, like I said, is actually down in the description. If you click my Instagram, it's actually will be the first post. Now, I'm getting a bunch of people to come riding with me next weekend, and I'll actually make like a vlog style snowmobile video, because this one was just, I went to make an Instagram edit and I thought I'd post it because some people asked me to go snowmobiling. Now, last year I actually went sledding with my buddy Mitchell. He's like 33,000 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. He's doing super good for himself, and I'm super like proud of him. Like, he's doing amazing and super successful. And I just messaged him asking if he'd be down to do another collab, so hopefully that goes through. But like I said, super raw video, kind of just if you guys like snowmobiling, here's a video. And like I said, next weekend I'll get a group of people to go riding, and now I gotta film tomorrow Smock Nord. I actually have it right here. I'm gonna vape it just for the end of the video. Gonna make a review on this, and that'll be the next video. And then maybe I'll make a gaming video, so it'll be like separated, so like vape, gaming, snowmobiling, vlog, blah blah blah, just so it doesn't get boring and it's super. There's a variety of videos. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe as always, comment video ideas down below and what you want me to do for 10K, baby. And sorry if it was boring for some of you guys. I mean, it was just me ripping around my new sled, pulling catwalks. It's super loud, super fun. Get a group of people and we'll ride next weekend. And peace out, guys.